I'm flipping.
So we're in Central Park.
We are in Central Park.
And
it's a complete whiteout.
And if you see like all along the fence, it's like a white wall.
It does. It does look like there's just a white wall.
Yeah, it looks like there's nothing.
There's nothing.
You can't see anything. But what? Oh, it's pretty cool.
It is pretty cool, actually.
And there's a lot of people now.
I'm really excited to see your face, though, because this is actually a really cool spot.
Where are we?
I don't know if you've ever been here before.
Is this a reservoir?
This is a reservoir.
Oh, cool. I have been here, but not like true.
Isn't it cool?
Yeah, it's really neat. Is this a reservoir?
It is a reservoir.
People were throwing snow stuff.
Yeah. It is cold. So we walk. Oops, sorry.
It's okay.
Alright. See, I knew you'd like this place. Ensid students. I said Ensid students.
Ensid students.
No, the best places, okay? Cross country skier. Keep it up. Looks like you're doing a good job. I just told the cross country. You have total eyeliner going on.
Okay.
Fix your eye.
So
Alright,
here's a funny story.
bye, reservoir.